Okay, everything is fine now, guys. Come on, use the chat box.
Yes, Ravi. Yes. Everything is fine.
Mhm. Okay, so this method return type is what, guys? This method is the return type what? Boolean, right? Boolean sent. I'm taking the reference. Okay. So now fine. If just I'm taking here if condition. I'm taking what? If sent, right? If sent, if mail is sent, na? So we will get this out. Mail is sent, right? Is
Sir, in send to removed
hmm?
to CC.
No problem. 1 minute. I know that. Okay. Just I'm writing else. Okay. Condition. After then I will fulfill those data. Okay. So two. Anyone give your email. Anyone please give your email in the chat box. Okay, Satish. Okay, leave it. One. Uh. Okay, please open your email, Satish. Okay, I'm sending to you only. Okay, copy this one. Okay, copy this one. Just what I'm doing now. Control Z. 1 minute. Okay, so CCC still I'm taking null, right? BCC also I'm taking still null only, null. Subject what I'm giving, subject message subject I'm giving what? Welcome to RK. Welcome to RK Technology, right? And text I'm writing hello. Good evening, right? After then file also I don't want still to send. Just what I'm taking null. Okay. So now fine. Now I'm running the application. Okay. Now I'm running. Please check your mail. Okay. Please check your mail, Satish. You are getting the mail or not?
Yes.
Yeah. Check it, Satish. Mail sent. I got the message.
Yes. Just one. Yes, Ravi. Yes, done.
What you get?
Hello, good evening.
Hello. Good evening. In the
Hello,
text.
good evening.
And what you get? What is that?
Yeah.
About that mail. Subject. What are you getting? Subject.
Subject, welcome to RK Technologies.
That's good. Okay, so like this we are implementing in the project. Okay, so no problem. Abhi still so many things we have need to do, guys. Okay, see this. Okay, just Satish is there. Two Satish I'm sending, right? In the what is that CCC I'm taking. What is that? Other people also send, right? Other IODELE. Okay, in the CCC also I'm adding you. Okay, in the CCC just what I'm taking now. Just what I'm taking now here. See this. Okay, IODELE new string array, right? Array string, right? Inside that what I'm taking this is the IOTL email, right? So now take this one. Another one is what? Another one more I'm taking, right? Someone. Okay, Okay, so another person, whom I will take. Okay, Venkatesh is there, right? Venkatesh. Okay, I'm adding in the CCC Venkatesh. See this. Another person is Venkatesh. Another person, two person. Okay, CCC and BCC also I'm taking, right? BCC also. So what is that? A new string array. Array what? Array inside that what? Give other person also. Mayank, right? Ashwin Sharma. Okay, fine. Ashwin Sharma. Okay. Uh, Sudhir Mani. Okay, fine. Copy this one. Okay. In the BCC, I'm two people I'm taking, right? In the BCC, I'm taking two people also. Now come inside that. What is that? One is this person, and what is that? Another one is what? Sudhir. Okay. So these two person in the BCC, these two person will not able to see others, right? Others how whom I send, because BCC means blind carbon copy is there, right? Blind carbon copy is there. So the same message again I'm sending. Okay, please. What is that? Ayodele, you can also open your Gmail. Venkatesh, you can also open. Ashwin Sharma, you can also, and Sudhir, you also open your email. Open your email and check it. Check it. Now I'm running the application. Now run. Yeah, mail is sent now, guys. Check it. Check your mails.
Yes, Ravi, got it.
What about
Yes, Sudhir
others?
is received. Sudhir
Received, right?
received.
Yes, I got it too.
Okay.
Yeah, we
Yes,
received.
got it.
Okay, fine now, guys.
Yes, I
Okay,
got it.
so no, another one more still some concept is there. Let's see that. Okay, still some concept is there. Okay, so now, okay, I want to send what is that attachment also there, guys. Okay, what is that file attachment also there, right? File. So here null, right? So to use the file attachment, what is that? One more, right? One more object we will create. What is that? What is that here? Resource. I will take what is that, because file path. Okay, resource. Resource what? File, right? File equal to what? New.
Sir,
New,
this is sir readable.
sorry. Oh, so good observation, Manjulata.
Resources.
Very good, very good, very good. Actually, my system also hanging, right? Resource file equal to what is that? New file resource, right? New file system file sy file system, right? System resource. Okay, so inside that, what we will do now, we will give the one image, right? Image. So and this one, this reference we will pass here, guys. Okay, in the argument. Now paste it. Fine. After then, what we will do now here? Come on the desktop. I'm coming on the desktop. Okay, one image will be there. Any image. Okay, this image is there, right? So right click on the image, my image only. Right click, go inside the property. Okay, details, security. This is the path of what that image. Na, copy this path and come inside that and paste here. Okay, paste inside that what here. Okay guys, so now already we taken the email, right? Now again I'm sending, guys, see this, you people will get what attachment with what one image also, one image with what attachment. Now I'm running this application again. Mail send, guys, check it now, check it now everyone. With
Yes, Ravi.
with attachment you are getting.
Your image.
Yes, yes.
Yes, your image.
Okay guys, so like this, if
Yeah, I got it also.
if a mail implementation is there in your application, right, in the web application, there what is that HTML further this testing, right, this testing, whatever this testing is there, for about this one, and one HTML form will be there in the web application. Okay, we will see that. Okay, we will implement in what, whenever in this time I will create mini project, in mini project I will use this concept also. Okay, in the future, that is the future concept only, right? So till now, if anybody having any doubt, unmute yourself, guys, ask. Okay, mail API module I completed, right? I completed mail API module. Next weekend onward we will learn what is that Spring boot JDBC and boot data JPA, right? Boot data JPA. So now unmute yourself. If anybody having any doubt, let me know that I will clarify those doubts, guys.
Hi, Ravi. Here, Satish.
Yes, Satish.
Yes, actually, I have a little bit doubt. So, like file attachment, right?
Yes.
So here we can means how can we select file particular that symbols like this?
See this. Okay, you have to give, because of that, what is that, we know that in Spring, what is the file system resource, we are giving what location of file. Inside that we are giving what is that
Yes.
path of that image. See that here I given what image is there on
Yeah.
desktop. Image is there on what, this image is there on desktop, right? So this desktop,
Yes.
this desktop path we will pass inside that, what we will pass inside this object, right? In which object, file resource. And what we will do now, and we will pass this file inside this argument. In the argument we are using, right, file system, here we will pass it.
So okay. So in future we will select we will pass the path like this.
Yeah, actually on the browser only, what we are doing now in the browser, see this. Okay, 1 minute. In the browser, just I'm creating one HTML, right? One HTML, just 1 minute. Okay, so what I'm doing now, 1 minute. I will clarify your doubt. Okay, so what I'm doing now, in the HTML, just I'm saving this, what is that, Control S, right? So just I'm taking, what is that, on the desktop only, what, where the desktop, HTML, right? Okay, I'm saving this one. Okay, inside that, what I'm doing now, inside the 1 minute, here, what is that, one minute, I will show this one. Okay, file.
Yeah. No, no. Please do that.
Yeah, choose file is there, right? Choose file is there. Okay, so now file. Okay, what I'm doing now, guys, see this. Okay, see this, what is that, file name equal to name action, 1 minute. Yeah, type equal to file. Whenever we are taking the file in the HTML page, right, in the HTML page, right, just I'm saving this one. Okay, so just I'm saving this one, and come to, what is that, come on, what is the desktop only I saved, right? Where that is, yeah, this is right. So now I'm opening this one. here also it will take the path only, right, for the input. Okay, let's take this Edge browser only, right? No, okay, fine. Here, okay, now I'm running this one. See this one, whenever we are selecting, I want to select what is that file here. So what will happen now? Internally, it will go to what is that location, right? Internally,
Yes,
just
yes.
okay, that location, and whenever we are selecting that file, right? Internally, that file location will store in the browser, and that is file. What is that? The file location only will go to server, right? See this. What is that? What is showing now? No, not here. If you, how you can know? Just what is the inspect it? What is that? View the source page, inspect. After inspecting that, you can see that what is the path of that image. I will show that one. Okay. Where down right there. Okay. It's somewhere is there. I forgot it. Okay. No problem. Later we will see these things. Okay. Now later we will see these things. Okay. But what is
Okay,
the
okay,
internal
no issues.
whenever we are taking, right, whenever choosing the file, the so that file plus that file means that image, as well as what that path also will going to server. Okay, server. So because of that, what is
Okay,
that, the application
okay.
also we are giving that image application, what is that location, plus what is that file name is what.
Yes.
Now anyone having any doubt?
Thank you so much, Ravi. Thank you so much, Ravi. I appreciate it to you.
Yeah, Nagasri, I will share. Don't worry. I will share the code. Okay. I will. Okay. Now only. Don't worry. Okay. Right click. I'm right clicking that. Okay. Now, front of you only. I will give what?